Okay, those of you who are using this particular brand, or maybe others, but mainly this particular brand, the IRODA SOLDERPRO 120, and I can't. This is the SOLDERPRO 70. I bumped into a bit of a problem with these two, and it's exactly the same problem. I tested it on this, and unfortunately it happened as I sort of discharged the gas. Right, so basically, when these two devices had gas filled in, and I've stored it away for a little while, as soon as this container became empty, it actually cracked and damaged the chamber, or the gas storage cylinder, whatever it is you want to call it. And as you can see, that this is all cracked. As soon as you start putting gas through here, you can see it whizzing out through the edge of this and through the back. So that's completely destroyed. So I first used this, put it on my bench, went out, came back, and this was all broken. I thought that somehow this was dropped, but I could not remember dropping it. So then I dig this out from my toolbox, and we put it to test. This also had a filled with gas for a little while. So as you can see, this, once I've discharged the gas, it started cracking. There, and it's leaking now. So unfortunately I can't find any spares to repair them, and I've got a handful of tips here which is utter useless. So anybody buying this particular brand, I think you're wasting your money. It's about £50. I've ordered a set of Dremel, and I'm hoping that the chamber would be all sort of like not clear, but made out of some sort of a metal, so even storing the gas, it's not going to sort of crack the glass here. Now, going back onto the manufacturer's operation manual, there is nothing here, which is a bit of an annoying. I thought at first it's my fault, but when you look here, there's absolutely nothing on the instruction to sort of say that do not leave the unit filled with gas if not being used for a long period of time. So nothing at all. This is all. Rest of it is just sort of talking about how to operate the device, but here in particular there's absolutely nothing to sort of mention about sort of leaving the chambers filled with gas. So yeah, very, very short video. As I said, just piece of crap, piece of shit. Don't buy this stuff. You're wasting your money. Buy something like a Dremel. And saying that the Dremel is 550 watt, I believe this is up to 500 watt. So if this is classed as 125 watt up to, then I think the Dremel sort of goes a slightly higher wattage. So I'm not promoting Dremel, but unfortunately, you're paying 50 quid for this from Maplins in the UK, and I picked up a Dremel set online for £32. So I mean, it's less the cost. It comes in a nice box, and let me sort of see if I can find it on the internet. Hang on a sec. Let's have a look. Dremel V Versatap. Yes, that is the one. It's Dremel Versatap. So I'll show you, for example, Screwfix in the UK, selling it for £34.99. There you go, and that does come in a little box. But just remember, some of the retailers don't provide the box. It comes as just a unit on its own. But I believe these guys supply it with a box. Argos definitely does supply it with a box. That's not the one. Yeah, so you get a general idea that this is what you need to buy instead of this piece of crap. So thumbs down for this manufacturer, IRODA. whatever it is. Very disappointed. What a waste of money.